Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a charity shop try on haul. I wasn't sure originally if this would be anything that you guys would be interested in because I have always loved popping into charity shops, finding a good bargain. I remember one time when I was about 13, I found an Abercrombie & Fitch jacket in a charity shop and I was so excited by it. So I've always just loved popping into charity shops, and like if I go to drop something off, I will always have a little browse around. And I had picked up a few different things, like great things from charity shops recently. And I put on my stories whether or not you guys would want to see a haul of bits that I've just kind of like collected over the past few weeks, because I wasn't really sure if people would want to see this type of thing, because obviously I can't link the stuff. But I think it was like 95% of people said yes please do a haul, so that is what I'm doing today. If you are not the type of person that would usually pop in, go and have a look, because sometimes they have some really great stuff. These are some of the things that I've got recently. So the first thing that I got, I think this one was from Oxfam, is a bag, and this is a beach bag. As you can see, it's like a wicker one. My dad would absolutely hate this because he hates wicker, but I really like it. I thought it was really cute. It's got these tassels on it, and as you can see, it still has the tag on, and this was originally from Misguided apparently. It is like a little bit, like there's a couple of these, literally like two of these little strands poking out the bottom, but other than that, and I can probably really easily fix that just by like tucking them in. There we go. I thought this was too good of a deal to pass up. This was £5. I can't remember if I said that already, but it has a lot of space in it. It also has an inside pocket, and it has a zip, which I think is so good for a beach bag, because most beach bags would be like this and just be open. But I really like having a zip on my stuff because I'm a bit paranoid about like people reaching into my bag. And me and James are actually going away soon, and we thought that this would be the perfect beach bag to take with us. So I was really happy with that, and we'll probably use it for many years to come whenever I'm going down to the beach. And I thought that for £5 that was a pretty good buy. Also as well, in Oxfam they do have some stuff that's new. They have like some like tote bags, and they do Moomin stuff as well in Oxfam, and I love the Moomins. I didn't actually get anything from that sort of selection this time, but they do have some new bits and like stationery and some little like gifty bits and gift cards that are new and have been donated, I believe. And also they get quite a lot of stuff donated from M&S. I don't know whether that's just sort of like the ones that are local to me, but they often seem to have some new in M&S pieces, and like quite a few of them. And obviously like Marks and Spencer stuff is really good quality. And another thing, for example, that I got is this Levi's t-shirt. This was £6.99, so it is a bit more expensive for a t-shirt from a charity shop, but I'm pretty sure this is also brand new. It doesn't look like it's been worn. The logo is not even faded. Like it looks perfectly brand new in the label, and you know, it's really nice quality t-shirt. Just a black size medium t-shirt. I think it is men's, but I quite like wearing oversized stuff, and you know what, me and James can probably share this. So yeah, £6.99, bit more expensive than a regular t-shirt that you'd find in a charity shop. But let me just Google how much a Levi's t-shirt usually is. Some of the Levi's t-shirts are £27. They have this exact t-shirt online in white, size medium, for £20, and I got it for £6.99, so I was pretty happy with that. Okay, so this is the t-shirt, and as you can see, it is big, it's oversized. This is such a classic me kind of outfit. Like I love just wearing a big baggy t-shirt. Also the actual quality of this feels really nice. It definitely is a men's one because it's quite long, but I like it. It's very comfortable. The next place that we went to I think was Cancer Research, and maybe at the end I should add up how much this whole haul came to. I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to do it as I go. So the next thing that I got is a dress. This is from Topshop Petite, and I couldn't pass up this dress because it was £5.75 and it was in really good condition. So it's like a red burgundy high neck sort of strappy dress, and you'll see this a lot better in the try on clips, but it is like a mini dress. I thought this would be so nice for maybe even going to someone's wedding. Like it's really nice condition. It doesn't look like it's been worn a whole lot, and the back of it is this sort of like stretchy, I don't even know how to describe it, like chevron sort of pattern. It has a zip all the way down, and then it's sort of like form-fitting bodycon, but it's slightly looser at the bottom. I just thought that this dress for £5.75 was an absolute bargain, and I'm probably going to take this on holiday with me. Maybe even wear it for James's birthday. I don't know. We've got quite a few like dinners and stuff planned, so I was very chuffed with that. Right, so I am wearing a halter bra with this. I would just wear a strapless bra with it. The only reason I've got this on is because I'm about to try on the other dresses which need a halter bra, but this is the Topshop dress. I absolutely love it. I love the shape that it gives me because it kind of goes in at the waist here. And then, yeah, like I said, it's kind of like bodycon, but it's not too tight around the bottom. And it's just got this underskirt and then it's got the lace. So it feels really nice quality. It's really comfortable. I love the sort of like shape of this bit. And yeah, I love the way it looks on me. And I think this was an absolute... Oh my god, that scared me. There's a bird like outside the window. I thought it was a person. I really like it. I think it's just a really nice dress and the type of dress that I could wear to any sort of special occasion. So yeah, that's Topshop dress number 1. And then the next thing I got, another bargain. This was £3 and the brand is actually H&M, but it's part of their label of graded goods collection. And it is literally just a plain white cotton shirt. I think it's cotton. It feels really, really soft and really lightweight. And I just don't have a white shirt. I really love outfits where you can just like throw on a white shirt over the top of it, especially on holiday. And I thought this would be really good to take with me. And even just on more like, I don't know, like smart casual events where you just want to wear a white shirt. You could even like tie it up and wear it with jeans. It's such a versatile thing and I think everyone needs a white shirt in their wardrobe, because there was one that I was looking at on Asos that was like £25, but this was literally £3 and it's in such good condition, and you know, it's just a basic. And then this is the shirt. Again, I've literally just got it on with my sports bra. Would not wear a black bra under this because it is quite see-through, like it's quite a sheer white shirt, but that's actually what I really liked about it because it is so lightweight. Again, I'll probably roll up the sleeves of this because they are quite long. So if I rolled the sleeves up, maybe if I like tied it and did a couple buttons up, I don't know, I just thought it was a really versatile thing to have in my wardrobe, and I probably will just like wear this on holiday. Like even, I quite like jeans and a white shirt. Again, like imagine this with some little white heels or something, or just like with trainers. Smart, casual. And then the final charity shop that I went to, I actually got 5 things from here, but at 2 different occasions. I also do just have to say, okay, the charity shop is called Scope, and I don't know if it's just a London-based thing, but yeah, it's called Scope. They've got loads of them around London. And I do just have to say, I felt so bad, and Ben, if you're watching this, I am so sorry that I am so awkward. Basically, there was a boy working in there called Ben, and he was chatting to me a bit like as I was shopping, and when I went up to pay, he was standing next to the guy that was serving me, and he asked me what my name is, and I said, oh, my name's Sophie, what's your name? He told me he was called Ben, and he was very sweet, and then he said, oh, do you have Instagram? And I thought, because like I'm not very good at talking to strangers, just like straight up, I find it quite sort of uncomfortable anyway. And when he said, do I have Instagram? Normally in those kind of situations, if it's like a subscriber or something and they say, oh, I follow you on Instagram, of course I will be friendly and want to chat to them. But I had no idea that he had any idea who I was. And so I was like, oh no, sorry, because I don't want to then, like if it's a stranger and they want to swap Instagram details, I don't want to then have the awkward situation of them being like, you have quite a few followers, what do you do? And like get into that conversation, because I find it quite awkward. And so I just said no because I didn't want to have that conversation. And then he was like, oh, okay, it's just because I follow someone that looks a bit like you, and I was wondering if it was you. And then I was like, shit, I've just been caught in a lie. Like, what do? I can't now be like, oh yeah, that probably is me. And so I just felt so bad, and I was just like, oh, okay. And then I paid for my stuff and then left, and I was like, I'm actually evil, like I'm so mean. And I felt really bad, and I was like, do I go back in and tell him? But then I was like, no, because then he'll think I'm a liar. Honestly, just a mess. So Ben, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry. The amazing thing that I've noticed about Scope, I don't know if it's every single one of the stores because I've only been to a couple of them, they often seem to have samples of clothing, and a lot of the time there'll be like samples in size 8, to be fair. Some of them I did see in size 10, but they seem to have samples that have been worn on photo shoots and then donated to the charity shop. And they had some, like, I was going to say bigger label brands, like high street brands such as Asos and Topshop, that were brand new samples that I'm pretty sure have just been worn on a model once and then donated to charity, because I guess they then can't sell them if they've been used. The first thing that I got from Scope, it says on it, yeah, it says on here, size 8, brand new. This was £8 and it's an Asos dress. It looks like this. It's going to be really hard to show on camera. It is a midi slash, well, it's more of like a maxi dress on me, I guess. But it's just this strappy summer dress. It's this bright orange colour. It does up at the back with some strings, and then it just goes down into like a basic sort of lightweight midi dress. It does have a slit in the side of it, and I just saw it and thought this would be perfect for wearing on holiday in the hot weather. So I thought that that was an absolute bargain, and I was really happy with that. Okay, so this is the orange maxi sort of dress. Note to self, don't wear black pants with this because it is quite see-through. You can definitely see them. So I would probably wear like nude underwear with this, but the back of it is so pretty. It's got like this tie-up crisscross thing. It's quite long on me and it does have a slit, but I don't think I would wear it just like this because it's not the most flattering. I would probably wear it with a belt, like maybe a black belt like this. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. Yeah, maybe a black belt. Does that make it look better? I don't know. I can't actually decide whether I like this one. I'm not really sure if it suits me, but I just thought it was too good of a deal to actually pass up, so that's why I bought it. It was very affordable. I don't know, I'm not too sure on this one actually. The next thing is probably my favourite thing that I got all together. And I showed this on my Instagram and everyone was like, oh my god, that is so nice. It's another, it literally says on here, Topshop Petite, brand new, £6. And you know what is really funny? I was browsing on Asos yesterday. They literally have this dress on there at the moment for $29.99. This is the dress. It is so on trend at the moment to have these like little detached sleeves that sort of sit higher than the rest of your top. Does that make any sense? I've seen quite a few things similar to this on Missguided. It's like a cutout style dress that is long sleeved, it's black, it's ribbed, it's really nice quality. Like it's a thick rib. It's not a see-through one at all. Basic little black dress that again, I'm probably gonna have in my wardrobe for years, and it was £6. Okay, so this is the £6 Topshop dress. I actually think out of everything I got, this is probably my favourite. I just love it, and the fact that this is in like on Asos on Topshop at the moment for $29.99 and I got it for £6. I am so happy about. I love it. I think it's really cool. Like I would definitely wear this to a party or an event or like something around Christmas time probably. Oh, I need to take the tag off. So the back of it just looks like this. It's got the same cutout. I bloody love it. Another item that is brand new, and there is actually a label on this that says post fashion production sample, brand new, size 8, £4.50. And it I did realise after I bought this, and actually after trying it on, that it's from the maternity department. So I've accidentally bought a maternity skirt. However, it fits and it's really comfy, and it's actually quite nice to have a bit of extra material around my belly because then if I eat and get bloated, it gives me more room. So it fits and I'm not mad at it. But this is a brown midi skirt. I know this isn't going to be to everyone's sort of taste, but I've really been quite liking midi skirts this summer. I've got a floral one from Motel that I've worn quite a lot, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get this. It is quite autumnal, but I think I could wear this in summer or winter, and I like how it's got this sort of like ruched detail down the side and then it's got a slit in it. And you know what, maybe I will even save this for like 5 years time. If I do have a baby, then I've got something to wear. And I even thought I could probably wear this on holiday with maybe like the white shirt like tied up. I might put those two together actually. I probably will do that and put this together as an outfit, but £4.50. Okay, so here is the shirt and skirt combo. I'm not actually too sure if this goes, to be honest, but this is the skirt. It does have like the extra material here, but because it's ruched anyway, you can't really tell. And it's just really comfy and I really like it. It's very stretchy. I like the slit in it. And I think it's like the perfect little autumnal midi skirt. What do you guys think? So again, this next one was from Scope, and again, it says on it brand new, size 10, £6. This is from a brand called Bravado, which I haven't actually heard of before, but on the sleeve, it literally still has the label on it. Isn't Bravado like a bra company? Okay, apparently there is a shop in London called Bravado. Never heard of it before, but there we go. And this is a cropped satin blazer. I did think that this might be a little bit too big for me. I thought I would take the risk, and I probably will end up taking the sleeves up on this, but that shouldn't be too difficult to do. I'm sure I can get somebody to take them up. I really like cropped blazers. I've actually got one from In the Style from Anastasia's collection. And why did I just say her name like that? Anastasia. And I thought this was really cute. And I thought maybe to wear with a pair of jeans, it would be quite nice for like a night out and like a crop top or something, or like a bralette and then this. So this is the blazer. Actually, I might need to move you back up. This is the blazer with the jeans, and I literally have just got like a sports bra on underneath this. I probably would wear it with like a little crop top or something, or maybe even if I just like, you know what, I could probably sew a little like popper or something onto it, or even just like pin it here to keep it closed because it doesn't have any sort of like closure, but it's just a satin cropped blazer. The sleeves are definitely too long for me. That's the main thing. It's not, surprisingly, like it's not super big on the shoulders. It's got a tiny bit of shoulder padding, but yeah, I would definitely need to do something about these sleeves because they are too long. I just really liked it, and I think for like a going out outfit, imagine this outfit, like jeans, satin blazer, pair of little like black heels or something, you'd be good to go. But yeah, what do you think? I thought it was pretty cute. And speaking of wearing that with jeans, I also got a pair of jeans. These were not brand new, but they were also from Scope, and these were £5. They are from Zara, and they are size 8. They literally fit me perfectly, and they're like mum jeans. The main thing that I have found with charity shops recently, a lot of them have loads of skinny jeans because apparently somebody decided this year that skinny jeans aren't cool anymore. Although, if you want to wear skinny jeans, just wear skinny jeans. Like, nobody cares. I definitely switched during lockdown more to like mum style jeans, mostly because most of my skinny jeans got too tight on me. But I really like mum jeans, and this pair of Zara jeans I could not pass up for a £5. They do have a bit of damage on them at the back, like the label is a bit ripped, but to be honest, I don't really care. It sort of makes them look a bit more vintage. They're like proper nice quality. They've still got loads of wear left in them, and I was just really happy with them. And then these are the jeans, actually. Let me just move you down a little bit. Hopefully that's a little bit better, but they are literally the perfect length and they fit absolutely perfectly. They are really comfortable. They feel really nice quality. The only thing is they're like a tiny little bit faded just there, like on this knee particularly, but it doesn't really notice. Like, I would still wear these and be absolutely fine in them. I think they're great. All together, so bearing in mind, I got a bag, I got a pair of jeans, I got a blazer, I got a skirt, 2 dresses, a shirt, and a t-shirt. All of that together came to just over £50, so £50 and 24p. If I'd have bought all of this from the actual retailers, all of this together probably would have cost, I don't know, over £200. I'm now gonna answer a question of the day. As usual, if you guys have got any questions for me, leave them down below with the hashtag question of the day, and I might answer it in my next video. Today's question comes from Lois Cotton, and she says, so something you need to remember is that you cannot please everyone. You do what you want to do. Obviously, it's good to make your subscribers happy, but if you're stuck in a situation where you can't please everyone, it isn't the end of the world. Personally, I love your testing videos and everything else. Thank you very much. And then she has said, what's a brand you love but don't really talk about? Hope you're all good. Thank you. So I would say a brand that I love and don't talk about too often is probably Bare Minerals. I have obviously mentioned them on my channel before, but there's quite a lot of stuff that I use from them that I don't mention super often. I use the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer a lot. I use the NARS tinted moisturizer a lot. I don't know. I guess there's quite a lot of things that I use on a daily basis, but I wouldn't necessarily show that on my channel. Like the Mitchell Made by Mitchell blush, the cream blush I use all the time, but I don't really mention it too often. Yeah, I guess there's quite a few. Oh my god, there's a spider in my suitcase. James! James! Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out of my suitcase. No, thank you. Oh, I should probably say goodbye. Yeah, I'm gonna go now because I need to get the spider out of this suitcase. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see any more charity shop hauls, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Where are you, you shit? Ah! Is it in there? Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I've got it in my hand. I've got it in my cup. I've got it in this little thing. Oh my god, I've just got a spider out by myself. I just got a spider out by myself.